We're Loie and David Bach from Florida. We were up in Alaska and had a little mishap with our previous RV and started looking for an upgrade. We bought a Verona 36 VSB.
We live on a yacht in Florida, and so we are used to the mobile life, and we wanted to add a coach to our variety for summer activities. We wanted a king-size bed, and we want our two little dogs sleep with us every night, and I wanted a washer dryer. Those were like non-negotiable features for me.
I particularly did not want to go to a large motorhome camper dealer and just be a number. I felt that here I would get to meet everybody, which we did, and we would get serviced accordingly.
Which we did.
It's definitely worth the effort to come out and visit and see the facility and see how they do treat customers.
This is a very low pressure. We have been in places where they practically break your arm to make the sale that day. You have none of that pressure, none of that feeling here. It's just that everybody's providing information, but it's not like anybody's going to hit you over the head if you don't sign a contract. So it's extremely positive. My
initial response in discussing this on the phone with the salespeople here led me to feel that I was going to be very comfortable with it. They responded to my questions or found the answers to my questions very quickly.